Alright, we're back out here. You can probably tell my voice I haven't been feeling well the last couple of days, but getting a start on this last side. Got Evan up there tearing that last side off. We're also going to get that cap tore off and see what's going on under there and what we got to do to get it rebuilt. But I'm going to get started on this front side, getting the shingles on, and then get to work helping him tear the rest of that off of there. And hopefully, if the weather's good this week, hopefully we get this side finished up. Well, I guess I've earned my first channel supporters. One of my viewers, that just happens to be my wife's aunt and uncle, noticed that I was moving my ladder around quite a bit, so they brought me another one. So that will be super helpful to have for when I'm working in different areas or when I'm in one place and Evan's in another. It'll just be great to have. So thanks a lot to them for bringing that to me and supporting the channel, I guess. Okay, so we got this last side stripped, and as I was doing this, I was thinking, this is just going to be more of the same for this week, but as it turns out, this side has some things that need to be addressed. So I don't know if it shows up on camera or not, but that ridge of that dormer is actually leaning back into the house. Maybe if I tilt, show it a little more. But the problem is that if you look across, this whole side of this roof actually has a dip right in the middle of it. And I'm pretty sure that it is caused by, a couple of things. One being same issue as on the other sides. This board that's connecting these rafters and carrying that load is not really structural, and there's not really any kind of structure this way. So same as the other sides, this will all have to be rebuilt. But up here, these rafters that come up from here are not completely one piece. They are spliced together there, and they've failed over the years. And maybe they started out that way, I don't know, but they have a bend in them, and so that's allowing the whole roof to kind of sag back in there. So and then also this rafter, it actually goes all the way to the outside wall down there, but it's got a little bend in it too. It looks like it's maybe had some bark edge there, so it wasn't a full 2x4 when they milled it, and they used it anyway. So this side maybe was the last side and they were just scabbing together what they could. I don't know, but it needs some things addressed, so we'll try to get that taken care of. So I'm also getting ready to tear this cap off of here so we can see what's going on under there, get it rebuilt, get this top waterproof, so water will stop going down that hole up here where the chimney used to come through, because it's just plastic covering a hole. It's wide open all the way down to the inside, so need to get that fixed. But yeah, so got a little bit of work to do. Alright, so here's what we're dealing with now that I got that cap tore off. old flat roof. Flat roofs do not work well. Still to this day, there is not a great solution for a flat roof. You need somewhere for water to go. You can see here, the chimney used to come up through here, and there is just a bunch of tar built up there. Underneath here, there are some shingles from, I don't know, maybe 50 years ago. And then there is a good, I don't know, ½ inch of roofing tar that has just been poured on layer after layer over the years. And it does its job for a while, and then it develops cracks. And then you have to put more on, and more and more, until you build up this big heavy layer of tar that's not doing a great job, and it just gets heavy. And so this needs to be addressed. So I'm actually going to finish tearing the deck boards off of here, and then work on re-pitching this thing like it was, so that the water can run off, but it'll still have sort of a flat look to it from the ground. So that's what we're going for. Okay, so this is the key that's holding the whole house together. All the rafters from each side come up, and they're pushing against this box. It runs all the way around. All the rafters tie in, so that's acting kind of as like a keystone on a stone arch. All the down pressure is pushing against right there. It's not in great shape. The perimeter mostly is. There is this board right here that is running all the way across, and from there down inside there's a wall that is sitting on the downstairs wall that is sitting on the foundation. So that is actually carrying some of the load here to keep this thing from collapsing. But I'm really shocked at how strong this thing is. It's not moving at all as I walk around up here. There is just a little bit of rot in that corner that I'll need to take care of, but I'm gonna firm this thing up and then frame a little roof cap on it and put some plywood over it, put some shingles on it, and I think that'll keep all our water out. Alright, well, I forgot to film it while I had it framed up, but this is what I did for the top cap. It's from right here. You can't really tell that it's got much of a slope to it, but if you come down and get flat, you can see that it's about maybe a 112 pitch slope. So it's enough to get the water to run off of there. It won't set up there. I don't think we'll have any problems. It's only like a 5 foot by 5 foot area up here, so I think it's got enough slope that the water will shed off of it and won't ever set up there and try to find its way in. So that's what we got. I didn't end up getting anything done on this other side, so that'll be next week. Between the rain and the not feeling good this week, I've not got as much done as I wanted to. So alright, so there you can see what it looks like from the ground. From right here it looks just as flat as it ever did, so I think I achieved the look of the house. Got enough slope that the water will not set up there, it'll run off, but still keeping the original look of the house. So I think that's going to work for us. So that's going to be it for this week. Look forward to next week when I start getting that other side, get the decking and roofing and getting all those rafters fixed and trying to straighten all that back up. So we'll see how that goes. So I'll see you next time.